Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6th NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is ninth question of its exercise 11.1. So the question says that mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is 1, how many laddus did she make? So हमें given है number of laddus mother gave is equal to 1 and remaining laddu is equal to ये हमें given है 5. So find out करना है how many laddus did she make. So total number of laddus is equal to number of laddus mother gave away plus remaining laddus. तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास number of laddus mother gave away 1 and remaining laddus is हमारे पास 5 है. So total number of laddus हो जाएंगे 6. That's our final answer. Thank you.